how to turn off upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down, click settings, and here click notifications, and now just click birthdays, and here just click upcoming birthdays, and as you see upcoming birthdays has turned it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.